How to apply for Chase Auto Loan. Start by checking your credit score as it affects your loan's interest rate. A higher score typically means lower rates. Research Chase Auto Loans requirement, especially for used cars, which may have age and mileage restrictions. Free qualifying helps you know how much you can borrow and at what rate, allowing for better budgeting. Factor in all costs, including the loan payment, insurance, maintenance, and gas, when determining your monthly budget. Prepare necessary documents such as photo ID, proof of income, proof of residence, and proof of insurance. Apply online or in person at a Chase branch, ensuring all required information and documents are included. Carefully review the loan offer, including interest rates, loan terms, and any fees to ensure they meet your financial goals. Use your loan amount to guide your vehicle shopping and negotiate the best price. Complete the purchase by providing your loan information to the dealership. Keep track of your loan payments and budget accordingly to manage your auto loan effectively. By following these steps, you will be ready to apply for a Chase Auto Loan and confidently drive away in your new vehicle. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.